secret. Press F. Hold F. Oh, it didn't work actually. Okay, let's just. Wow. This is not secrets. We're just doing genocide. No. I'll stay out of your way, and Captain Undyne won't have to hear a word about this. No. We're going inside. Right for the face, huh? I was really worried, you know. Worried that you wouldn't want to fight. Worried that you only did it to protect yourself. Worried that you'd be kind to me. I'm not worried anymore. You only look human, don't you? Okay, I'm gonna have to do this. I forgot how to do this part. I have to heal every time. I don't know why, but I have to. We'll do that. Ow. It gets hard. I forgot how hard this was. Dog salad. It heals all your HP if it feels yappy. Oh, I forgot this. Oh, this is hard. Oh, the wood balls! I am almost out. Dead. Dead. What? How wasn't I dead by that? Dead. I think we shouldn't go genocide this round. I think this is just gonna be pacifist for now. What am I doing? Keep that garbage to yourself, I bet. That sounds like Alpha takes action for a second. What's with you? Just straight up trying to strike up a friendly conversation. In the middle of battle. Who? What kind of? You know what? No. If you don't want to fight, I'll have to make you. Nope. That isn't an insta kill. Oh, what the? You want to fight? Let's do it. Or maybe you'll put me in genocide. No, it won't. Okay. This should be safe. Yes. Are this attacks getting faster as we speak or no? Oh, I forgot how to do this one. This one's hard for me. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I was lucky. Oh God. Floop. Pacifist. Again. Geez, you're really in a hurry, aren't you? Well, I don't know where you got the idea, but I'm not interested in being your friend. Keep that garbage to yourself. Nope. I went to the drop to attack. I'm going to be able to, if I practice enough, I'm going to be able to do a no-hit run maybe, but this is the part that I have to practice. This one is really easy. This should be safe. Yes. I gotta look. Okay, I'm gonna cut again to that part I was at, so bear back. Here's where we left off. I should not eat that much food because we're getting an ending. Trying to get this ending. You already saw, most of y'all should have saw Merg already do it, but I don't care. I think I shouldn't attack anymore. Yes, I am so lucky today. I've never been so excited. Bark, bark, arf, arf. Now she's making fun of my favorite animal. You're nonsense. Now I better do an item. Dog salad. Oh, ride 10 ball. You're color 10. This one's really easy. Okay, I just got hit when I said that. Should have I healed? I should have healed. Well, bye. Part 2.